Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Vincennes, local and long-distance movers near me. It does not matter if you're moving inside the same state or to another state, moving more than 50 miles away is considered a long-distance move. Whether you're moving across town or across the country, you can rest easy knowing that we'll take care of everything for you efficiently. You'll know that we're always looking out for your best interests by the way we handle our service delivery. Customers' well-beings are a top priority for us, and we will do it all to make sure that they're taken care of. At the outset, we'll take advantage of the good working connection we've established with the various relocation authorities throughout the country. During the transfer and beyond, we provide insurance to all of our clients to ensure that their interests are safeguarded at all times. For those looking for a new home, we can assist you in relocating to Vincennes at a fraction of the cost of making long distances. For a local relocation, we charge $30 to $40 per hour, which is among the lowest rates in the business. No matter how crowded the neighborhood is, you can count on our movers to get you to your final destination in one piece and on time, no matter what. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Vincennes moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.